It's very dangerous.
You think so?
This is liquid nitrogen.
So what do you do with it then?
Oh my God!
Cryogenic freezer.
Wow. All right, Aaron, you're gonna need the gloves for this video.
Gabe just randomly handed me these gloves and this. I'm not quite sure what to
Do you
expect.
have any idea what this is?
Maybe we shouldn't say that.
This is exciting. This is very dangerous.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know that it's exciting and very dangerous should really go in the same thing. Like, is it exciting to be very dangerous?
Yes.
No.
Just like the Christmas tree that went through our roof.
No, that wasn't exciting. It was just dangerous.
Okay, so this is liquid nitrogen.
What does that mean?
It's nitrogen in a liquid form.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
It's like negative 200 degrees.
Really?
Yeah. So we filmed the video with
Kinda
this
like your
already.
soul. Just
yeah,
kidding.
that's true. No, that's actually true.
That's not true.
So we filmed the video with this already. But I said what we haven't done is film it with you. I know. Go ahead and lift this up real quick.
Is that how you do it?
Just go ahead.
I feel like I'm like in the Avengers and we're like...
The Tesseract. Yeah. Boom!
Okay, you got me. Bodied.
So all in there is liquid nitrogen. Don't smell it. It's
No?
gonna freeze your lungs.
You think so?
Yeah.
So what do you do with it then?
So these are all little scoopers that you can scoop the liquid nitrogen
Oh,
out.
really?
Yeah.
It's like fondue.
Yeah, I guess so.
And then what do you do when they're out?
And then you freeze stuff.
Just stuff.
Yeah.
Just randomly?
Yeah.
Hey, Mowgli!
Or apparently you can put liquid nitrogen in a bottle, close it like the dry ice,
And it blows
and
out.
it does like the dry ice things.
Really?
Yeah. But really, like we've already played with this ourselves, and this whole video, I just wanted you to experiment and have fun with
I
it.
don't think this is something that you just play with, you know? I think this is science.
This is something that you experiment with in a very safe way.
Really?
Wink, wink.
All right, I'm gonna put this on your hair. You ready?
All right.
He is already. I'm just kidding. What do we do? Grab a board? Put it on the
Grab
board?
some boards, grab some tech deck, grab some some hand boards.
Find a bottle.
Oh no.
He doesn't suspect a thing. No, he doesn't. It's too innocent. So we could grab his skateboard.
So you kind of gotta just
Wiggle it around?
shimmy all these out of here.
All of them?
Yeah. And one at a time though.
This is not working.
Oh my God! Watch him.
Oh! Look at the ground. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at those things.
It's freezing on the ground.
Dude, it's like Terminator. It is like Terminator. So what just happened? Nothing really happened. Oh, you got a bottle?
Do you need water?
Do we need water?
Oh no, I think you need safety goggles.
Do we?
Whoa!
How do you know what's gonna happen? I think we do.
Pour it in.
Can we at least like watch a tutorial?
The cap on it? Oh my God, I couldn't be in here if you laughed.
Oh God!
Run and kick it. Hold on, I got an idea.
What are you doing? You're gonna hit it that close?
Go ahead, Mogs.
Nothing. So you're telling me if I drink this, that'd be real bad?
It would probably like instantly freeze your mouth.
There's always that one guy, right? Boom! Got him? Nobody?
I think you're safe to take the cap off.
Yeah, I don't think it's...
Oh, that scared the living crap out of me. That scared me.
Dump the water out,
really
because you
bad.
can't drink that anymore anyways. You don't need any water in there. You can literally just pour all nitrogen in there.
Oh, okay. It's a good idea, Gabe.
I would just pour everything you have in there and then just run. Oh, dude, it broke out of the bottom, I think.
Nothing. Oh, it froze through
It froze through the bottom.
We need the water in there.
Oh, good aim, dude. Great aim. I think it's fully empty. Oh, dude, is the bottle frozen?
It's ice in there, though. You hear that?
Check it out.
Yeah, I think what happened is it burned a hole through the bottom.
Or it froze a hole through the bottom. Is it all ice in there? Dump it out. Oh!
What is this? From another land.
I think it's just the water that was on the bottom that froze.
Think so?
Yeah.
You got another bottle?
You know, every day I'm like, oh, I shouldn't park in front of this big door because something might blow up or something. And I'm usually right.
Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, these guys are so dumb, they don't know what liquid nitrogen is. And I'm just gonna let you know, you are correct. So
This much
should
water?
we leave the water in there or not? Let us know, because we don't know. We're just experimenting. Get the fondue.
Oh, I don't want to hold this.
Yeah, you ain't got the gloves on. You ready, dude?
Whoa. Okay, wait, Troy, get a photo of that. Oh,
My leg!
There was gasoline here last week. It's not gonna do nothing?
I don't know that gasoline.
It would probably freeze gasoline, to be honest. Oh! Whoa! Look at. Look.
Weird or what?
See, this
Yeah, we did it on Mowgli's board when he
is
wasn't
exactly what I wanted.
looking. Yeah?
Literally just watching you play with it and do like way dumber things than we did.
What way dumber things? These things are awesome.
Those don't have scoops.
Boil, boil, toil in trouble. What's the point of the slots?
I don't really know.
Leave it in the comments below. Please. We need to know.
But, you know, somehow I'm more scared with Aaron with the liquid nitrogen than when we were just messing around with it.
I know.
Can you grab the scooper thing from the butter bench?
Oh, boil, boil.
Toil and troil.
Oh, wait, I forgot we're doing this. Dump it all in there, Aaron. Oh, start doing. Oh my God.
I love how he put the cap on and then he hit it. So if the cap flies off, it nails me right in the head. It went towards glass. That other explosion was bigger though. When we had
You
the
need
other
more
thing.
nitrogen.
Okay. More nitrogen, he said.
Well, it popped the bottom now, didn't it?
Wait, look at that.
Where's the
Yeah, that's what happens to it afterwards.
Wait, you should put it like with the cap on the ground so it's like this and it'll shoot up in the air.
You can do this.
You're right.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, go ahead, Uzi.
Yeah.
You think the cap will still hold?
We need more bottles. Someone go to the recycle bin and
How's
find
that
water
one?
bottles.
Let's try it. I love how it starts to boil.
Ah! What are you doing? Nope, there's a hole.
The bottom or the top?
The bottom. Ah! Wow.
There you go.
Oh gosh, Aaron, watch out.
For the thumbnail.
That's the thumbnail right there. Aaron,
This is like
you have no regard for safety, bro. You're freaking me out.
Wait, it's fine. Maybe we should go get a glass one.
Aaron, you gotta pour it in gently. Get as much.
Oh!
What happened?
It got really cold on my hand. Do not ever try this at home. This is not. We are trained professionals.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. I watched every Bill Nye video that's online. Oh, it's on the other side. Man, I'm not smart sometimes.
Okay, so dump as much in as you can, very carefully.
I can dump the whole thing in.
Wait, Mowgli, wait. Watch it. Okay, now.
You see how it's freezing the top of the cap?
Yeah, I do.
And we could put water in it.
Oh my god!
That was a great kick.
What if I drank the my life?
Look at it.
What is going on, dude?
Water in it. Well, you can use that water.
Okay, you go get a little bit of water. I'll prepare the Tesseract. What do people use this for?
Is this
I
too much
don't
water,
know.
you think?
No, that's good.
Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. We're good.
Oh gosh! Oh! My God! I did not think that was gonna work.
It's over.
Oh!
We made it.
Nailed it!
Science. That was amazing. Shot all the way across the parking lot. Did you expect that?
No, I thought it was done.
Wow.
Uzi!
What the heck?
I don't know what that is.
It's cardboard. One more and then get me a glass bottle.
No,
Yes.
absolutely not.
This one's gonna be hard to dump it into.
Oh yeah. Oh, we good. We out here.
Goodbye, camera. You've been good for us.
Wow! That was the best one!
That was the worst one.
Oh, that looks sick.
Okay.
Pour two in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna get one, you get one. You pour first, I'll pour second. And then we'll do two. Don't drink that water, dude. Come on, we're good.
Uzi, pour as much as you can. It's not gonna blow up until the cap's on.
Yeah, you gotta get a good pour.
I'm an expert pourer.
That's actually true. No, it was really good. Oh boy! Oh boy!
Are you kidding me? Come on, man!
Just because the cap one's strong enough. Watch out. Round two.
Oh no, hold on though. It's fully frozen. Look, like right here from the water up.
Put the cap on.
Okay, put the cap on.
Put the cap on.
Tight though, tight.
Really good.
Tighter.
That was tight.
Oh no, it's bubbling out the sides. It's gonna blow out the sides.
Oh my God!
Again.
Where's the cat?
Round three? Nothing.
Oh.
It's flexing. Look at your brother. Low-key, that scared me really bad. Tight, tight, tight! All the way! Good thing the camera's not very close. Oh, dude!
Oh my God! Uzi, run!
Oh boy.
Oh my god! Bro! That was so loud!
We should play a game of skate over it. Wow.
Alright, let's play with some skateboards.
Skateboards?
Dump it on a skateboard.
You wanna dump it on a skateboard?
Dump a lot on Mowgli's board.
Oh!
Your board's about to get killed. Oh. No, on the grip.
Look at the.
I wanna clean his
Oh my
bearings
god.
out.
Look what's going on to the ground.
I know. Right? Now if you fall on that, deadly.
Grip's about to get worried.
This is almost as dangerous.
My board's broken already.
You don't care?
It's alright.
Troy! Troy!
Wow!
Look at this! Whoa!
Look at the ground! Wow! Look at it!
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Bubbling right there. You see that?
This is your thumb, Troy.
Look at this.
Dump some more though, Aaron. Aaron literally just dumped the whole. Look at it, it's gassing out from the side. Uzi, watch out. Clear the background. And Troy, shoot this way.
Now we snap it.
No, watch out, Troy, watch out. It's not underneath.
Okay.
So sick. He's gonna ollie the 3 block?
Yeah.
Kidding me?
I think his board's just gonna shatter into ice. Yeah, just when you think you're out, you ain't.
Gee.
Dude, look at the grip's about to fly off.
What?
All right.
Wow.
For science, we have to do this. I'm sorry. It just has to occur.
Wow. Wow. That's a solid break right there.
I'll be donating mini boards for that one. Nose and tail, you ready?
Yeah.
I slipped on the liquid nitro.
His foot's hurt.
Your foot's hurt? All right. I've never seen a board snap like that. Clean off. Have you?
No. Holy crap.
Skateboarding with liquid nitrogen. There we go. All right, well that was super fun. Leave us a comment below what you want us to see us liquid nitrogen next. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.